signal left and we'll get into it. There it is. Yes, stay right here, right here, right here.
Oh, we're staying this way?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
Sorry.
Yeah, you got
if
it.
we were going into that one.
I know, it's difficult. When you get two dedicated left-turning lanes, I choose this one. This is my preference. You can choose whichever one you want, but this is my preference. The reason is, once you complete your left turn, you'll already be in the right lane. You won't have to make a right lane change over there. But for you, since you live on Wessex, you'll probably end up having to use the left lane because you'll be turning left at the lights up there anyway. So,
that's true.
Yeah. What we're doing is we're going to keep going over the bridge. We're going to over the bridge. Look at that, eh? Time flies, man. Jeez.
Yeah.
There's just not enough time in a day. There you go. It's kind of hard to see where the guidelines are here, but you're just perfect. Right over there. Left lane over there.
You're staying in this one, right?
Well, this lane here, it's difficult to see,
Was I
but
supposed to be in this one?
yeah, in the middle lane. So
Oh, wait, can we go
yeah,
switch?
yeah, sure, go ahead.
What the heck's going on?
Because it's dark and you're not familiar with the area. Yeah, so when you turn, basically what happened here is when you turn that corner, it turns into multiple lanes, okay? There's 3 lanes. That right lane will empty off into like a right turn over there. And then these 2 lanes are connected to the double left turning lanes, the 2 left turning lanes to go straight.
So I just...
You just went too far. You went into the far right.
I thought it was 2 lanes, so I was trying to go as wide as I could.
It's easy to think that because it's dark and the lines aren't visible. And it might be your first time doing that.
Yeah, it is.
So, yeah. Perfectly okay, man. Now you know. It'll be a lot easier during the day. But this is good practice, though, at nighttime because you'll see it'll be a lot easier. You'll be a really skilled driver.
Slowing down to 40.
40. Nobody does 40 through here, though.
I didn't think this is a weird place to be at 40.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
It used to be the hospital zone. There's driveways, people pulling in and out of the driveways. And because it was a hospital zone, plus there's a curve. Curve. Yeah.
Yeah, people definitely don't follow it here.
Yeah. Not usually. Not even the cops. Just driving instructors with their students. I don't, when I'm by myself, I don't go 40 here.